Yes, today's video is to show you exactly what I would do if I was starting from level 0. Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, no money, no savings, no connection. Just you, your skills, and your determination. That's exactly the position millions of people are in right now. If that happened to be me in 2025, here are exact step-by-step procedure that I will take to rebuild from nothing into a greater height. Yes, you can do that too. But before proceeding into that detail, you are meeting me for the first time. My name is Larry Obolo, and in this channel, we break complex money matters into simple, actionable steps. We grow value and wealth through sharing strategic avenues and mindset shift. If that sounds like your thing, do well to follow this page, hit the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive in. The step number 1 is to reset your mindset, and very important. The first battle is not about money, it's about your mind. When you are starting from level 0, fear will set in and try to paralyze you. Doubt will whisper things like, it's too late, you can't make it again. But here is the truth. Being broke is a situation, not an identity. Many millionaires and billionaires you see out there were once there. They were once broke. But the difference is that they refuse to stay there. So step 1, believe that your current state is temporary and you have the power to change it. The simple reality is that if you cannot control your mind in difficult times, you cannot control your problem. This is simply because a troubled mind magnifies problem. But when you calm your mind, the fog begins to clear and suddenly you can make right decision. Step number 2 is to get a survivor income. Now, before chasing big dream, first you need stability. You can't be talking about wealth when you are worried about your next meal. I'll get a quick paying gig immediately. Delivery work, POS agent, cleaning services, even selling some simple products. The goal is not to get rich here, but is to get stability, to create breathing room. Rule number 1 is to make sure that you reduce expenses to the lowest level minimum. Stop every unnecessary spending. Every dollar you save today will be a building block tomorrow. So get a survivor income, do something. And step number 3 is to leverage what you know. Yes, leveraging what you know is simply monetizing your skills. Every one person has something they can do better that others are willing to pay for, such as teaching, repairing gadgets, cooking, digital design, even coaching. In this 2025, you don't need an office to start. All you need is a smartphone and internet. I would use platforms like TikTok, WhatsApp group, and Instagram to market my service to reach out to potential customers. Remember, just working hard is not the answer, but you have to work where the attention is. And in case you feel you don't have any skill you can earn from now, creating digital products has never been easier. If you want to know how to create digital products, just drop on the comment section digital wealth, and I will send you my guide, Digital Wealth Engine, to help you get started. Step number 4, once I've gotten a survivor income, the next is to look for a business or a side hustle that will make me money while I sleep. And this is where the digital product creation come into play. I have created over 4 digital product ebook that sells even while I'm sleeping. This is where the freedom starts. And apart from digital product creation, there are many other things I can also do to keep the money flowing in, such as mini importation business or starting laundry pickup services. Now, the key is consistency. Money loves structure. Even if I start small, I will invest the profit into the business to help it grow. For example, I started my importation business about 7 years ago, and I started with personal use item until the business grew to even bringing containers of goods. So you can start little and grow it to a very big business. The key is consistency. Step number 5, what I would do if I was starting from level 0 is to scale with system. Scaling with system simply means hiring help, build a team, automate some processes, to free up your time. You can't actually build wealth if you are stuck working in your business 24 hours 7. The goal is to create something that works without you. Freeing up your time will help you to explore other opportunities. And as a matter of fact, the purpose for creating wealth is freedom. Freedom of time, freedom of location, freedom of choice. So the very first step to take is to create avenues to free up your time to enable you explore more opportunities. That is step number 5 that I would take if I was starting from level 0. Next is to invest for the long game, and that is the game of the rich, putting the rich soldiers to work our money. My first major investment would be in safe income generating assets such as treasury bill, stock markets, mutual fund, real estate. The rule is simple. Stop working for money alone and make money work for you. Every naira you invest today is like an employee that never complains, never gets sick, and never gets tired. And lastly, step number 7 is the mindset to keep you going. Starting from level 0 is hard. There will be days that you feel like quitting, but here is the truth. Progress isn't about giant leap. It's about small, consistent steps. Every sales, every skill learned, every investment is a brick in the foundation of your future. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and remember, the hustle you put in today becomes the freedom you enjoy tomorrow. If this video add value to you in any way, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop on the comment section. If you are to start from level 0, what's the very first step you are going to take? Waiting on the comment section. Until our next video, I'll say bye for now.